I to do? Right now life's hard and I am blue, and I'm just trying to be true to myself so I can please you. I'm just trying to be true.
I got a suicidal illness. I'm thinking all this fucked up shit. Should I run? Should I steal? Should I go and get my gun and pop a couple clips up in him till this fucking scar cap heals? See, I don't know when to fucking stop, and I'm always reaching for my Glock. That's why I got all these damn problems. I'm out here in the streets trying to solve them, but I cannot find the answers for the life of me. My mama always gone and my daddy ran out on me. I got the weight of the world on my shoulders and I cannot carry, so I'm steady smoking Mary. I try to do good for my daughter airily, but her mama ran away from me and will not let me see my seed. So I'm filled with all this hate and greed, and go hard needs some stress relief. Damn, what in the fuck am I thinking, man? I'm about to take my own life with this 9 in my hand. I will never see another day. This my last night. Hit the ground and all you motherfuckers wanna surround. And when I was alive and doing well, you wouldn't come around. Psh, get away from me like y'all fools been doing. Pull a hole through the skin, this the end. Go hard, yeah.
Please tell me what am I to do? Right now life's hard and I am blue, and I'm just trying to be true to myself so I can please you. Please tell me what am I to do? Right now life's hard and I am blue, and I'm just trying to be true to myself so I can please you. Please tell me what am I to do? Lord, I'm just trying to be true. Yeah. Every time I blink, it's like an hourglass strapped a grain of sand that kinda makes you sink enough to tolerate no man. I never wanna sit, I'll take a stand before my thoughts turn into demons and obliterate my plan. Cause they're relentless and I bet they will incinerate my hand. And what abilities it has to express my emotions. My ego's gone, I lost all of my aggression. I'm moping around trying to find a purpose to press my devotion. It seems like a lost cause, like a quest in the ocean. I get stressed as I'm hoping and praying that the boat of life will stay afloat when it's broken or swinging. Whether or not I'll clear my throat and keep saying the weather is hot or cold, but hear the note and keep playing. Whatever I do in life, it's necessarily pleasure, cause death is something that I can barely measure. Sometimes I release a sense of humor when I'm trying to be serious, cause it's a song, so I don't want you all to cry when you hear this. Please tell me what am I to do? Right now life's hard and I am blue, and I'm just trying to be true to myself so I can please you.